Happy Easter! Get it because I'm a bunny? Are you planning an Easter dinner or an Easter brunch? Y'all, I got you. This is a collection of some of my favorite main dishes, salads, sides, and desserts that are perfect for your Easter feast. If you like these recipes, or me hopping in like a bunny, leave a comment. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. First up is my quiche Lorraine. This is definitely not like a plant-forward dish, but it is totally a hit, especially with kids. It's a tofu-based quiche, and it's dense and creamy, and it has this great cheesy flavor with smokiness from plant-based bacon. If quiche isn't your jam, try this amazing vegan pot roast. It's a super easy one-pot entree and a total crowd pleaser. You can make it with a mix of vegan steak tips and mushrooms as the meat, or you can use all mushrooms if vegan meat isn't your jam. Okay, so let's hop along over to side dishes. Forget deviled eggs, try these deviled potatoes. My husband is obsessed with this vegan spin on deviled eggs. The texture is a little bit different, obviously, because potatoes are not eggs, but it hits those flavor notes so well. You've also got to try my vegan pimento cheese. It's one of the most popular sides on my website, and that's for a reason. It is packed with flavor and super easy to make in one bowl. Even omnivores love this vegan pimento cheese. If you want to get a little fancy but not do a ton of work, try this asparagus quinoa pilaf. Pilaf sounds so fancy, but it's really just grains cooked in broth with veggies and spices added. And this asparagus pilaf uses quinoa in place of rice for a fun twist on the traditional rice pilaf. So let's move on to salads. First up, this warm Brussels sprouts salad is so amazing. The combination of flavors, textures, and temperatures in this spring salad is just delightful. And it is sure to be a hit at Easter lunch or dinner. If you want a heartier salad, try my citrus quinoa salad. It's a grain salad that's filling enough to be an entree if needed, but it's so delicious that you'll have to keep your Omni friends and family from eating it all before you get any. And of course, you've got to have dessert. These carrot cake cookies are so much easier to make than a layer cake, but they hit all of the texture and flavor notes in cookie form. They're so delicious with that cream cheese icing on top. If cookies aren't your thing, try these coconut cupcakes. They are just plain festive. You can serve them up with just the coconut frosting on top, or use fun decorations to Easterfy them. I hope that this video gave you lots of ideas for your vegan Easter menu. If you need even more ideas, check out my website. I have a whole collection of vegan Easter recipes there, and I'll link to that in the description. Happy cooking!